Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 3 game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen not loading, or several other issues on PC. So let's find the solutions. So the very first method is to check the system requirements of the game. So before you try to play the game, make sure your PC have all the required specs. So uh, after searching for the game, go below and here we'll find the system requirements. Make sure your PC have all the specs that is mentioned over here, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to restart your PC as well as the game. So for that you have to simply click on Steam option and then exit. So this will exit Steam and the game. After that click on Windows icon and after that click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. After doing this, now try to launch the game once again freshly, and after that launch it and check if you can play it. If not, next is to run the game as administrator. So for that you have to go to Steam, under library section select your game. Here I'm showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on manage, and now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. From here you have to select the application. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if the game is opening or not. If not, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again. This time select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand a display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to allow the game through firewall. So for that you have to go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game, after that select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked. After that click on OK. Finally launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -DX11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again. This time select type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to check for Windows update. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update, click on check for updates. This will check and update your Windows to the latest version. Once done, now try to log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. It may take some time, wait for it, and once the game files are verified, now launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link, and once the link is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on it, click on yes, and wait for some time. Once you get set up successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC and then log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list first. For that, click on add desktop app. After that, you have to go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance. After doing this, launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and check if the game is launching or opening or not. If not, next is to update system BIOS. So you must follow the instruction to update your BIOS, and after that try to launch the game and check whether the game is opening or launching or not. Next method is to increase virtual memory. So for that, go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where a game has been installed. After the select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288 and the maximum size you have to type 24576. Now click on set and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game once. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall and again click on uninstall option. This will completely delete the game from your PC, and after that you have to restart your system. Once your system restarts, launch Steam, log into it and again reinstall Call of Duty Black Ops 3 game and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is working now or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 3 game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.